Today, we're going to have a fizztastic experiment that will truly fizz and fizz and fizz. Are you ready? First, we're gonna pour the baking soda into the mixing bowl and then slowly add the water and 3 drops of green food coloring. Because we wanna make 2 fizzing Christmas trees, we're actually gonna do 4 cups of baking soda, 6 drops of green food coloring, and 1 whole cup of water. Let's begin. We're going to take this paper plate and we're going to cut it in half. Then we'll wrap it into a cone and fasten it with tape. You can use the other half of your plate to make a second fizztastic tree. We're gonna flip our cone upside down like this, like an ice cream cone, and tightly pack the baking soda, or the dough, into the cone shape. Fizztastic. Now, we've got to place the cone of dough in the freezer on a tray and let it sit overnight. We've taken our Christmas trees out of the freezer, and next we can peel off the paper cone and set our trees back on the tray. Next, we're gonna add a light snowfall of baking soda around the bottom for more fizzing action, and also on the top. Okay, our next step is to mix our vinegar with a few drops of green food coloring. I'm gonna give Kinley some vinegar and myself some vinegar because we both have trees. So pour our vinegar in here. Finally, we're going to use these eyedroppers or medicine droppers to squirt a few drops of green vinegar on the tops of our Christmas trees. So now, while we're doing this, observe what is happening when you add the vinegar to the baking soda Christmas tree. Well, look at the sequins and the glitter is coming out as well. We're going to continue dripping vinegar on the tree until all the fizztastic fun is over.